let's get right into it. We're going to be talking about what is, quite possibly, the single most important cybersecurity trend for 2025. Seriously, it sits at the intersection of AI, the cloud, and, well, the future of our entire digital lives. We're talking about post-quantum cryptography. So let me just start by asking you a question that sounds simple but really isn't. Is your data, your company's data, your personal data, is it actually ready for what's coming? Because all those digital locks we rely on every single day, they have an expiration date. And that's not just a metaphor. Our digital world literally has a hidden deadline. By 2025, post-quantum cryptography, or PQC for short, is going to be an absolute must-have. Why? Because the folks at Gartner are predicting that by 2030, quantum computers will be strong enough to just shatter the encryption standards, like RSA, that protect pretty much everything we do online. And let's be super clear here. This is not science fiction anymore. The quantum countdown has officially begun. The threat is real, it's getting closer, and that means the time to prepare is right now. Okay, so we've established this huge, looming problem. But for every supervillain, there's a superhero, right? So let's talk about the solution. This new quantum-proof defense we can think of as an unbreakable shield. So what in the world is post-quantum cryptography? Well, think of it like this. If our current encryption is a really good standard-issue bank vault lock, PQC is a completely different kind of lock, one that operates on principles that a lockpicker has never even seen before. It's a new generation of math, a new set of algorithms, built from the ground up to be safe from attacks by both the computers we have today and the quantum computers of tomorrow. And the difference here is it's night and day. On one side, you've got the traditional encryption we use for everything, your banking, your emails, all of it. It's been great, but it has a fatal flaw. It's vulnerable to a quantum attack. And on the other side, you have PQC. This isn't just a minor upgrade. It's a whole new class of security, designed from the start to be future-proof. And this isn't just some concept on a whiteboard anymore. This is real, and it's happening now. The U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, they've already finalized the first set of PQC standards. We're talking about powerful, ready-to-use stuff like these lattice-based algorithms called Crystal's Kyber. These are the specific, unbreakable keys that make up PQC's arsenal, and they're ready to be deployed today. But here's where the story gets even more interesting. PQC isn't just about playing defense. It's actually a key that unlocks the next big revolution in tech. And that brings us to this incredibly powerful, almost symbiotic relationship between PQC and artificial intelligence. Think about it. AI and machine learning models are all moving to the cloud. Over 90% of big companies are operating there now. And that makes them super vulnerable. Just look at the statistic. A staggering 75% of cloud breaches today happen because of outdated encryption. This is the exact weak link that a future quantum computer will hunt for and exploit. This creates a huge, huge risk because there's this massive gap between the problem and the solution. While almost everyone is rushing to the cloud, a dangerously low 30% of cloud providers have even started adopting PQC. That gap, that's the critical vulnerability we have to close if we want to secure the foundation of the entire AI revolution. And this is where it gets really powerful because it's a feedback loop. It's a true synergy. First, PQC locks down and secures the AI models and all the giant data lakes they need to learn from. Then, AI turns around and helps optimize those PQC algorithms, making them faster and more efficient. And get this, we're now even seeing large language models, LLMs, being used to actually generate quantum-resistant code, which just slashes the time and cost of making this switch. It's amazing. They literally make each other stronger. So, why does all of this matter in the grand scheme of things? Let's zoom out for a second and look at the global stakes, because what we're really talking about is a multi-trillion-dollar question that is going to define the next decade of our economy. If we don't move to PQC, and fast, the consulting firm McKinsey estimates that the potential global economic losses could hit a catastrophic $10 trillion. That's the value of everything: financial systems, national secrets, corporate intellectual property, all the stuff that's currently protected by encryption that we know will be breakable. But, and this is a huge but, on the flip side, the opportunity is even bigger. By securing our digital world with PQC, we unlock the full explosive potential of the AI market. And that's a market with a total value of $15.7 trillion. It's such a stark choice, right? Catastrophic loss or unprecedented growth. And this isn't just some single abstract number. This economic power surge is going to ripple through everything. The PQC market itself, it's set to explode to over $3.3 billion by 2028. This transition is projected to help create 97 million new jobs by 2030, and it directly unlocks at least 4.4 trillion in AI value. This whole thing is going to redefine entire industries. Okay, so we've covered the global threat, the insane economics of it all. Now, let's bring it all the way home. It's time to talk about your quantum action plan.
You know, there's a quote that's been going around that I think just nails it perfectly. PQC is cybersecurity's quantum leap. It's not just a step forward, it's a fundamental transformation in how we even think about digital security. It's a whole new game.
So as we wrap this up, I'll just leave you with this one thought. The quantum era, it's not on the horizon anymore, it's here. The tools we need to secure our future, they're ready to go. The only question left is, what's your PQC war plan?